Ողջույն բոլորին. Hello everyone. Yes, Shushinam Hayasa. I'm Shushi from Hayasa, and in this video we're going to learn some very common Armenian expressions. I'm sure you've come across some of these expressions if you have Armenian friends or relatives. After this video, you will better understand how we think as a community. The first word in my list is Can. Can is coming from Persian, but it is deeply rooted in Armenian and also some other Middle Eastern languages. We use Can very often. We use it almost every time when we address a person, we put Can after the name. I want to ask, how are you, Haik? I would just say, Haik Can, ինչպես ես? Okay, so the next word is Ախպեր, which is the more colloquial version of the word եղբայր that translates to brother. If you ever visit Armenia or if you live around Armenians, if you know some Armenians, you've probably noticed that Armenian males somehow form a brotherhood, and in this brotherhood everyone respects each other, everyone just calls one another Ախպեր. Ախպերս, which would be my brother, Ախպերjan. So the third word is Ammot. Ammot basically means shame, but we use this word much more often than you would ever imagine. If Armenian government is corrupt, it is Ammot. If politicians are stealing money, it is Ammot. If you are doing something considered immoral, it is still Ammot. This is actually a very interesting word. The last expression is Hatsutel. Hatsutel directly translates into eating bread. Hats has a very symbolic importance in Armenian culture. It has been considered something holy, and even now it hasn't changed much. But when we say Hatsutel, we don't really mean eating bread. It can be considered dinner, it can be considered breakfast. So when someone tells you Gagas Hatsuteng, will you come with me to eat bread? They might be inviting you for a big dinner. So let's sum up here. Today you've learned 4 new words. You know what's Ammot, you know what is Hatsutel, Can, and Ախպեր. Hopefully, these new words will help you understand Armenian culture better. Thank you very much for watching this video. It was Shushi from Hayasa, and see you very soon.